To set double press S Pen button for Samsung Note as next favorite pen in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features and then tap advanced features. Next tap S Pen and then select Add Accents. Scroll down the screen, tap Samsung Notes and then tap double press menu. Select next favorite pen. Now double press S Pen button for Samsung Note set as next favorite pen. To use, open Samsung Note and then create new note and then change to drawing mode and then you can uh, drawing, sorry, and then double press your S Pen button to next favorite pen. Okay, and then if you want to add favorite pen, select pen you want. For example, this pen color and then tap star icon until uh, yellow or until orange to add in favorite mode or uncheck to uh, remove from favorite pen. Double tap to next favorite pen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.